Where does the name for the Afon Ystrad come from? Today I'm in Denbighshire, just south of Denbigh. There's a large river called the Afon Ystrad. Now the name of the river is really simple. Afon means river. It comes from Brythonic Awon, which means river. And then we have Ystrad, which is a large, flat-bottomed, wide valley, which kind of makes sense because around the river is a large, wide-bottomed, flat valley. Anyway, diolch. Like and share and subscribe. If you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon. You can find the link in my bio. Diolch again. Have a good one.